Hello everyone and welcome to my channel once again. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, I don't know why, but I just request you to subscribe. For those who've already subscribed, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for following into the lectures that I'm doing here every time. Thank you for following, commenting and sharing to your friends and colleagues who are in design. It's really encouraging me to continue, because when I see comments of people saying that they've benefited a lot with these short videos, it encourages me to continue doing this kind of work, because everybody knows something and they want to share out. So the little that I know, I also want to share out, because learning by sharing what you already know is actually learning in itself. So today, without speaking too much, I'm going to continue with where we stopped, designing quotes that you'll be using on your social media platforms. I've so far done 2 quotes, and on our timeline and on our artboards, I'm using aspect ratio 1:1 for social media, Facebook, Instagram specifically. And I want to continue with where we stopped. So I will add another artboard here, and this artboard is going to be, you've seen that working with artboards is actually making your work more efficient. You can just jump from this and copy paste. It's very easy. Some attributes you can easily do. So I'm going to take a rectangle tool, and then I'm going to draw a square like this up to there, and then on the top right corner there is a dot there that you can see, a circular dot. Just pull that one inside so that you can curve only that part of the square. And then after we do that, I'm going to select and press Command or Control on Windows, and then it will be selecting that shape, that curve. I will add a layer, then I will blind this black one. Then on this layer, I'm going to add something called gradient. This gradient, I'm going to change the color to blue. I'm changing the color to blue. Sorry. And then I'm also increasing the opacity of the other end. So as you can see, it's like that. Then the second part, the next thing I'm going to do is to drag a picture. I'm still working with this beautiful picture that I shot, that I took of the Minister of Women in Somalia. It's really nice, you know. Najipasifa mwenyewe. So after that, I'm going to select this again. I'm going to select, oops, sorry. I'm going to select on these. I messed up, but no problem. I know what we can do. Try to drag this and then create a clipping mask. So this I'll duplicate, and then I'll put it overlay. This clipping mask has to come down here. Understanding how Photoshop works is very important. So I'll double click this gradient of ours, and then try to reduce this opacity just a little bit so that you can see the image above us. Then the next thing I'm going to do is just go to our artboard. If you didn't see how we did it, just watch the video that we did previously, and then it will show you how we actually did that. Copy it, all those elements, then paste them here. So these ones, I'm going to drag them down here, and then I'm going to go to this triangle that is bisected, copy it, and then paste it here. Then drag it. Oops, sorry, I meant drag it. I didn't mean expand. Like that. So when we've done that, I have a feeling that this picture of ours is a little bit very bright, so I'm going to put a curve, then try to make it a little bit visible, yeah, to increase the contrast. Then after that, I'm going to copy on this previous picture. I'm going to copy these two, the logo and social media, and then also post them here. So we have our social media icons. I'm going to move them a little bit down. Then we have our logo. I'm going to move it a little bit up. But this logo, I'm going to change the color overlay to blue so that it can be visible. I can put it here. No, it looks very weird there. I'll put it just here. Anywho, that looks nice there. I think it doesn't look good there. Should put it this. I'll put it inside there. Then change the color to white so that it can be. What you want is for it to be visible. So as you can see, we've done 3 different designs with almost similar features, but they are very simple to execute and they are very professional. If you can see, I know you can see, but they are very professional. So this is what you get to learn when you come to this channel every time that you tune in. So I urge you to share these videos, subscribe, comment, ask me on which kind of future tutorial you want me to execute. By the way, we'll be starting on Adobe Premiere very, very soon, inshallah. But we are still on Photoshop as for now. So till we meet again, it's been very good to have you till this particular juncture. Thank you so much.